Hello. Welcome to Sustainable Truth. This is your host Otis, and today we are covering Tesla Q3 2022 deliveries. Let's get into it. So right off the bat, Tesla produced 19,935 Model S and X and 345,988 Model 3 and Ys, adding up to a total of 365,923 cars produced in Q3. They have delivered 343,830 cars, so there is a gap of 22,093 cars. Why is that? Is it a demand problem? Let's look at what Tesla had to say in the release. Quote, "Historically, our delivery volumes have skewed towards the end of each quarter due to regional batch building of cars. As our production volumes continue to grow, it is becoming increasingly challenging to secure vehicle transportation capacity and at a reasonable cost during these peak logistic weeks. In Q3, we began transitioning to a more even regional mix of vehicle builds each week, which led to an increase in cars in transit at the end of the quarter. These cars have been ordered and will be delivered to customers upon arrival to their destination." End quote. So basically, what they're saying is that it's becoming very expensive to secure transport to deliver the cars. Therefore, they are spreading out the deliveries, increasing the amount of cars being on their way to customers at the end of the quarter. They emphasize that the cars have been ordered, so that means that the demand is there and cars will be delivered as soon as they reach their destination. Now what this does, it will add more delivery numbers to the next quarter. If they keep their delivery strategy the same, it will be a similar situation at the end of Q4 also. So basically, certain amount of cars are lagging into the next quarter. It seems logic to do this from the cost saving perspective. So let's look at differences and totals this year so far. So clearly, this quarter is a record quarter for deliveries. Comparing with Q3 last year, they have delivered over 100,000 cars more this year. Looking at the yearly total deliveries from 2021, Tesla delivered 936,172 cars, and in 2022 so far, they've delivered 908,573. which is 27,599 cars short of the whole production of 2021. So the Q4 results will be very interesting, because if they want to achieve 50% growth comparing to last year again, they will have to deliver around 468,000 cars in Q4, which I believe is still possible, but will be very difficult. Guys, thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoy, hit like and subscribe. It helps YouTube promote this content. I want to provide value to as many as I can, so this helps a lot. Any thoughts or feedback would be much appreciated in the comments below. Thanks again, and I'll see you on the next one.